21, we're going to simplify the following radical expressions. We have 1 and 2 here that we're going to do. So the first one, we're going to use FOIL. So let me write it out. We have square root of 5 minus square root of 6 times square root of 5 plus square root of 2. And we're going to do first, so that's going to be square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is square root of 25. Outer, so that's going to be square root of 5 times the square root of 2 is square root of 10. Enter, that's going to be minus, you take this operator there, square root of 6 times square root of 5 is square root of 30, and outer, or last. So the last is going to be minus square root of 12. So we can simplify further. Square root of 25 is 5. Can't simplify those two, so just copy those down. They're not like terms. We can simplify square root of 12 is 4 times 3. So square root of 4 is 2 square root of 3. So it's going to be minus 4 square root of 3. So for that one, we're done. You can't add any of these together because they're not like terms. Now for the second one, I suggest, I don't know, let's go ahead and just, sometimes I think we could simplify further if we did something else. But let's go ahead and just FOIL it out. So we have 50 times 2 for the first. Then we have square root of 50 times 6, and it's a minus because it's a positive times a negative. So that's going to be square root of 50 times 6. Then you do your inner plus square root of 27 times 2, and then minus square root of 27 times 6. Now, all you have to do is simplify. I'm going to do 27 times 6 real quick. This is going to be 162, so we can work with that later. All right, so this is going to be square root of 100 minus square root of 300 plus square root of 54 minus square root of 162. So that's going to give you, that's 10 minus, and we can write this as 3 times 100, or 100 times 3. Let me put 100 first. 100 times 3. And this is going to be 9 times 6. And this is going to be 81 times 2. All right. Another method is to simplify before you do this. It might make it a little easier, but either way. So we have 10 minus, now the square root of 100 is 10, so you can pull that out, and you have to leave the square root of the 3 inside the radical. Plus, we can take the square root of 9, that's 3, but we have to leave 6 inside. Square root of 81 is 9, you can pull that out, but you have to leave 2 inside the square root radical sign. And that would be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.